Another partnership for crypto.com is just another in the stream of successes that this company has had within the crypto space, continuing to have strategic acquisitions and partnerships with a variety of strategic partners, leading up into this point where we have the crypto industry getting very mature, more mature than ever before in the world stage. And let's talk a little bit about this recent partnership from crypto.com and the potential for the CRO token, not just in the short term, but in the long term. An easy 10x, one of the easiest 10x plays that I know of in crypto personally that I'm looking at is the CRO token from crypto.com. Let's talk a little bit about it in this one and why the market took a little bit of a slip today. Welcome back to the Crypto Report, everybody. I'm Crypto Kip. Do me a favor, smash like, subscribe to the channel. Let's get into it. If you take a peek at where Bitcoin's at today, now earlier it came down to like 92 and change, back up to $94,000 today. Still down 1% over the last 24 hours because it was up quite a bit yesterday into the 95, 96 regions. Had a little bit of a slip overnight because of some of the macroeconomic pictures with the U.S. economy. Looking at CRO, you've got some price action happening today. Where right now sitting at the rank number 42 in all of crypto, sitting at a $2.3 billion market cap. Crocoin down 4% today. In the grand scheme of things, when you look at the entirety of coins in crypto today that are down, Crocoin being down 4%, not that bad considering everything else that's slipping within the top 100. We're seeing a broader dip for this total market cap for crypto because Bitcoin is testing some support here. Our total market cap is also testing some support here. Our daily candle is, after having a nice big red wick earlier today, down to 2.86 trillion. It's kind of coming back up. But let's talk a little bit about this strategic partnership that crypto.com has right now. Tap that like button, guys, and celebrate this if you're a Crocoin holder. Just one more thing in the line of awesomeness that crypto.com has been bringing to the table for the folks that love this crypto exchange and the CRO token. Crypto.com just partnered with Green Dot to enhance banking and money movement features. So reading a little bit into this, Crypto.com and Green Dot Corporation are partnering to offer new banking and money management tools and features to Crypto.com US customers. Crypto.com will leverage Green Dot's embedded finance platform ARC as an on-ramp and off-ramp for customers' cash accounts and enable them to earn interest and easily fund U.S. accounts using U.S. dollars digitally or with cash at thousands of Green Dot network cash access locations worldwide. One thing we know about Crypto.com, if you took a peek at their roadmap, is they plan on offering banking services. This is something that is a growing trend. A lot of these fintech companies like Crypto.com, like Robinhood, like probably Coinbase, want to make as much functionality on their platforms as possible. Another great example is X. You've seen Elon Musk talking about how he wants to make X and everything app. Well, Crypto.com now has sports speculation where you can actually put up crypto to speculate on the outcomes of some sports events. They've got the banking services they plan on launching. This partnership is definitely a step in the direction towards those banking services. They're offering some stock trading capabilities. They launched their US exchange, but this banking services will be huge because if Crypto.com has people able to bank with them, when it comes to actually using the platform and buying crypto, buying stocks, and the Crypto.com earning fees, this is going to be huge for this company. Now, what the heck does this have to do with the CRO token? Well, I personally am a believer that the more successful Crypto.com is as a company, the more options they have to pump the CRO token. The success of Crypto.com is not a direct correlation to the price of the CRO token. You need to look no further than the CRO token price to understand that, because what we've seen for Crypto.com is we've seen a tremendous amount of upward growth. Right now, Crypto.com is one of the largest exchanges in North America. In fact, the biggest exchange in North America. But here you look at the CRO token price, and it's back down to where it was in January of 2023. It's even back down to the levels basically that it was at in June of 2022. So throughout this time, from June of 2022 to today, Crypto.com's success is like this, but the CRO coin price is a little bit like this. And while we do see, some kind of upward momentum, I mean, just look at the top, see we've kind of tap, had a little rejection. I think we're going to meet the upward trajectory of the success of Crypto.com, if there was a chart for that, with the price action of CRO at some point in the future. Now, to remind you guys this, I want you to be aware of it, okay? Right now, CRO is currently 9.5x away from its previous market cap all-time highs. I not only think we are going to get there and see the price of CRO back to the high 82 cent regions and even above $1, I think we're going to go higher, guys. I wouldn't be surprised to see CRO 20x. And again, as an example, some people don't like that I compare Crypto.com to Binance, but I think it's a great comparison to do. Binance coin has a market cap of $84 billion. At a $40 billion market cap, CRO coin is almost at $2. That's half the market cap value of Binance. Is that possible? I would say so. If CRO coin was to take the market cap of Binance at these current levels, that's a 36x from here. I'm not sitting here telling you that a 36x is definitely going to happen. I would say that I think it's possible. It might even be possible in this bull market. But realistically, where we're at in this cycle, what we're seeing going on with CRO, with the unburn, but with also the strategic partnerships and the conversations around how Chris, the CEO, is shaking hands in the White House with the president, talking about stable coins, how they're going to be integrated into the U.S. financial system with the CFTC. Crypto.com is headed in the right direction, upwards, onwards, growing, getting stronger, getting better. And I cannot help but believe that the CRO token will meet that success that Crypto.com as a company is having with its price appreciation in the future. I've talked a lot about a $2 to $5 CRO. I do believe that something like that is possible, possibly even in this bull market. But again, I want everybody to remember it's okay to take profit. If CRO goes to 50 cents, 80 cents, $1, if you're waiting for $2, I would say it's cool. Take some profit on the way up. Even if you think we're going to $5, you take profit at 40 cents, 50 cents, 60 cents. On the way up to $2, what if we don't get to $2? If you're waiting for $2 and $2 doesn't happen, or you're waiting for $5 and $5 doesn't happen, you're going to be kicking yourself if you didn't take profit on the way up. Again, just adding to the success of Crypto.com, they continue to build, do more. I'm not, a super fan on NFTs or this Crypto.com game. I did talk about it a lot. Frankly, I think that metaverses, I think that NFTs are not the highlight in crypto these days, but Crypto.com continues to expand. They've got another land, it looks like, private sale going live here today. They're continuing to grow. They're continuing to develop. Chris, the CEO of Crypto.com, I've got him on my thumbnail because I just want to mention, they're continuing to put new leaders in charge to continue to expand their product offering, to continue to grow their company, and put themselves in a great position to have a lot of success in the future. This is his last tweet. He hasn't been tweeting a lot. I'd like to see him get a little more active, but I do like to see, if you go to his profile and you look what's going on, this is a very beautiful picture watching him shake hands with the president. There you go, Mr. Marsliak. He's got a little presidential seal badge. They are talking with this presidential administration. They are the largest exchange in North America, and they've got a new strategic partnership with this green dot company, which is going to probably be one step in the direction of offering banking services to their clients, which at the end of the day will help it become an even greater solution for folks. People could just start banking with them, then start learning about all the other features they have. And again, the stronger Crypto.com as a company gets, the stronger I feel about the success of CRO in the future. You want to do some trading? You want to trade some of the volatility on CRO? Well, you can sign up for Blowfin using our link in the comments down below. Great for leverage trading. You can do some spot trading there as well if you want to do so. You can certainly buy on Crypto.com as well. But when it comes to leverage trading, I enjoy Blowfin the most of any of the other leverage trading platforms out there. If you want to sign up, trade CRO or Bitcoin, check out our link up to a $5,000 deposit bonus when you sign up. That's all I got on this one, guys. I'm Crypto Kip. This is a Crypto Report. Smash the like, subscribe to the channel, DCA HODL, and of course, I'll see you on the next one. And I got 2 videos here if you want to check them out. Till next time, guys, peace.